gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. The local time now is 20 minutes past the hour of 12 in the morning. There's an hour difference between Incheon and Manila, Manila being an hour behind. The ground temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper disembarkation. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig na Ninoy Aquino, maligayang pagdating sa Manila. Tayo po ay patungo sa NAIA Terminal 3 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seat belts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintaying matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. May we remind guests with infants that the Infants Life Vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the Infants Life Vest inside the seat pocket. Please be advised that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bags.
유아와 함께 탑승하신 승객 여러분께 안내 말씀드립니다. 유아용 구명조끼는 도착 후 반납하여 주시기 바랍니다. 좌석에 부착되어 있는 주머니에 구명조끼를 넣어 주십시오. 항공 관계자의 승인 없이 구명조끼를 항공기 밖으로 유출할 경우에는 관련 법규에 따라 처벌이 이루어질 수 있습니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, for information, this is just a temporary stop. For safety, please remain seated. Thank you.
알려드립니다. 감사합니다. 승객 여러분, 저희 비행기는 안전하게